This is a tutorial video for disassembling and reassembling the lid to your JOEmo or JOEmo cup. There are 7 components: the cap, the black drink ring, the black gear, the disc with the prong, the white gear, the spring, and the lid itself. To begin, first unscrew the cap and open as if you were to drink from it by pressing down on the black gear. Then press on the bottom of the disc. The black gear and drink ring should pop out the other side. For general cleaning, you should not need to disassemble your lid any further. We do not recommend it. However, should something get stuck or if your lid comes apart on its own, here's how to work with the rest. Push on the white gear and hold it, then pull on the disc until it clicks. Make sure the white ring and spring do not pop out on the other side. At this point, your lid is fully disassembled. In order to reassemble it, grab the lid and put the prong and black disc in through the bottom. Place the spring on the prong and the white gear on top of that and push until it clicks. Then take the black gear, place it on top of the white gear and the drink ring on top of that. Click it into place. Test it to make sure it's working properly. Now you're good to go. The only thing you need to do is put the cap back on. If you have any problems, please feel free to contact us or check out our website for replacement parts.